Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the GTJ large glass food storage containers with lids, a versatile and stylish solution for your kitchen storage needs. These glass canisters come in a set of 2, each with a generous capacity of 180 ounces, perfect for storing everything from pasta and coffee to flour and sugar. Crafted from durable, food-grade borosilicate glass, these containers are lead-free, non-toxic, and designed to withstand the rigors of everyday use, while their natural bamboo lids add a touch of elegance. The airtight seal, created by the bamboo lids and silicone rings, ensures your food stays fresh and moisture-free for longer periods. With a wide mouth design measuring 5.91 inches, filling and accessing your stored items is a breeze, and for added convenience, each set includes 8 black labels and a white marker for easy organization. Plus, these jars are dishwasher and freezer safe, though we recommend hand washing the bamboo lids to maintain their quality. If you have any questions or concerns, rest assured that customer satisfaction is a top priority, with a dedicated team ready to provide solutions within 24 hours. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.